Hello, I'm Lena. Today is my weekend day. I'm going to share my day off with you. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can understand me easily and also learn how to describe your own day or your weekend routine. Let's start. I usually wake up at 8 a.m. on my holiday. I like to wake up slowly without an alarm. The first thing I do is stretch my arms and legs while still lying in bed. I take a deep breath and enjoy the quiet morning. Sometimes I close my eyes and think about what I want to do today. Other times, I pick up my phone and check messages or see what my friends are doing. I do not spend too much time on my phone because I want to feel calm and relaxed. After lying in bed for a few minutes, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cool water. I like to do a very simple skincare routine, even on my day off. I put on a light moisturizer and some sunscreen. Taking care of my skin helps me feel fresh and ready for the day. By 8:30 a.m., I go to the kitchen and make a cup of coffee. Coffee is one of my favorite parts of the morning. I usually make a latte with my favorite milk. Sometimes I make tea if I feel like something lighter. I like to drink slowly while looking outside the window. Watching the world wake up makes me feel calm and happy. I often take a few minutes to think about what I want to do during the day. Around 9 a.m., I do a little exercise. On holidays, I do not like heavy exercise. I prefer light stretches or yoga. I roll out my yoga mat in the living room. I put on some soft music and do 20 minutes of yoga. I feel my body wake up and my mind feel better. Exercise makes me ready for a good day. By 10 a.m., I take a shower and get dressed. Even on a day off, I like to wear comfortable clothes that make me feel nice. Today, I wear a pair of blue jeans, a soft sweater, and my favorite sneakers. I like to feel comfortable, but also feel a little stylish. Putting on clothes that I like makes me happy and confident. After I am dressed, I usually spend some time on personal hobbies. At 10:30 a.m., I read a book or write in my journal. Reading is one of my favorite activities on holidays. I can go to a different world in a story and forget about stress. Sometimes I write down my thoughts, my ideas, or my plans. I feel peaceful when I take this quiet time for myself. At 12:30 p.m., it is time for lunch. I like cooking on holidays. Cooking is relaxing and fun. I usually make something simple, like a salad with vegetables or pasta. I sometimes try a new recipe for fun. While cooking, I like to put on music or listen to a podcast. Eating slowly and enjoying my food makes me feel happy and full. I do not rush during lunch because I want to enjoy the moment. After lunch, around 1:30 p.m., I sometimes go outside for a walk. Fresh air is so good for relaxing. I walk in the street, in the park, or sometimes just around my neighborhood. I like to see people walking, talking, and enjoying their day too. If I am tired, I stay home and read a book or watch a short video. Holidays are my time to rest and enjoy myself. By 3 p.m., I spend some me time. I do things I love and that make me happy. I can paint, draw, write, read, or call a friend. I usually sit on my couch with a blanket. I make a cup of tea or coffee and enjoy relaxing. This is my favorite part of the day. I like to slow down, feel calm, and enjoy simple activities. At 4:30 p.m., I sometimes do small chores. I tidy my room, do the laundry, or clean a little. I like to keep my space neat, but I do not spend too much time working. Light chores help me feel comfortable at home. When my home is clean, I feel more relaxed and happy. At 6 p.m., it is time for dinner. On holidays, I like cooking slowly and enjoying the smells of food. I usually make something healthy and tasty. I sometimes watch a short TV show while cooking or eating. I like to make dinner special with a candle or soft music. Eating calmly is one of the best parts of the day. At 7:30 p.m., I take a bath or shower. I enjoy this time to feel relaxed and clean. I use my favorite bath products. Sometimes I light a candle or play soft music. I enjoy this quiet moment for myself. I feel calm and peaceful. By 8:30 p.m., I drink a cup of herbal tea. I usually choose chamomile or green tea. I like to sit on my couch or bed and read a book, listen to a podcast, or sometimes watch a relaxing video. This is my evening wind-down time. I feel calm and ready for bed. At 9:30 p.m., I start my bedtime routine. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and put on pajamas. I make my bed tidy and soft. I like my bedroom calm and quiet. Sometimes I open the window a little to get fresh air. I feel comfortable and ready to sleep. Finally, at 10 p.m., I get into bed. I sometimes scroll on my phone for a few minutes, but I try to keep it short. I think about my day and feel grateful. I feel relaxed and happy. Holidays are the perfect time to recharge my energy and enjoy life. I close my eyes, breathe slowly, and fall asleep. That is my full weekly holiday routine. It is simple, calm, and enjoyable. Even though I do not leave home or do anything special, I feel happy, refreshed, and ready for the new week. Sharing my day with you makes me feel excited. I hope you can also enjoy your holidays and make the most of your free time.